you guys up to? This is Sassy and Riley. Play nice, guys. Sassy, don't you eat the bed. What are you guys doing? Play nice. Grace, they're okay. Sassy, hi. What are you doing? What are you doing, pretty girl? Sassy, what you got, girl? Sassy. Grace, be good girl. This is Sassy and Mommy. Sassy and Mommy. Say hi, Grace. Hi, Grace. Sassy. Grace, you be nice. Sassy, what are you doing? Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Hey, Jess. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Jessie. Hi, baby. Jessie. Hi, baby. Good boy. Good sit. Good sit, boy. Let's go see where Sassy went. Where's Sassy? Sassy. What are you guys doing? Go get her, Riley. Where'd she go? Sassy! No chewing on the chairs. What are you doing? What are you doing, Jess? What are you doing, huh? You see the baby? Jess, what's your baby doing? That's your baby. That's your baby. Yes, it is. Sassy, play nice. What are you doing? Where are you going? Looking for Riley. That's her playmate, Riley. There's Jessie again. Hi, Jessie. Riley, where'd she go? Where'd she go, Riley? Riley's going to go get in her bed and hide. Riley, come out and play. Riley! She's taking your bed. Riley, what's she doing to you? She took your bed. Jessie, you're always right there. What are you guys doing under there? No, no. Let's play nice. Play nice, Sassy. You better play nice. Are you playing nice? Are you being a good girl? You being a good girl? You're a good girl. Come here. Where'd you go? You like that bed? You like that, Sassy? You want to stay in here? I said, heck no. Heck no. Where'd she go? Come on, girl. Where's she at?